In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money shopping online. We all like shopping online. Why not get paid to do it? Ebates is a company that pays you to shop online, and it's free to sign up. Plus, you get $10 once you do it. Once you sign up on Ebates, you'll be able to see all your favorite stores and mini stores you've never heard of. These are some of the items that I've purchased on Ebates and I've got cash back on. Drone, gimbal, camera equipment, GoPro, iPad, tablet, and many more things. You could buy things like tools, travel, hotel, jewelry, food, clothing, pretty much everything that you already buy online. So once you sign up, you'll be able to see a lot of stores, and I'm about to show you a few examples. When you first go to ebates.com, you're going to be presented with this screen. You can simply log in with your Facebook, with your Google account, or an email password, and then you hit join, and then you log in. Once you log in, this is what the screen is going to look like. These deals constantly change, so maybe your screen won't look just how mine looks right now. But you're always going to have this top bar that has your stores, your double cashback, your hot deals, in-store cashback, travel, and let's use all stores right here. So let's just say you're looking for electronics and office. You would click on electronics and office. Then you click on electronics, and it takes you to all the stores that are offering deals on electronic items. And as you scroll down, you can just see everything is alphabetical order. You can just see all the coupons and the cashback. Let me give you an example of one store. Let's say you want to shop at, let's say Best Buy. You type in Best Buy and you see they're offering 1%. You click on them, and if you go to shop now, it simply takes you to Best Buy. Anything you buy, you're going to get cash back for that. Let's look at another store. Let's look at Nike. So as soon as you type in Nike, you're going to get how many deals Nike's offering, and then you get other stores that are associated with Nike. In this case, you have Finish Line, eBags, LFL, PacSun. So that's one way to go and find if the store you want to shop from has any cashback deals. But let's say that you just type in your web browser, let's say eBay. So I type in eBay, and as soon as eBay pops on my screen, you see right here this little Ebates icon is flashing. It pops up and it says, hey, Ebates offers up to 2%. You hit activate, and now anything that I buy from eBay, I'm automatically going to get 2% on. Here's another way to find the store that you want to shop for. Right here, you go back over and you click the Ebates shopping assistant, and as it pops up right here, you can just type in, let's say Amazon. Type in Amazon, you do a search, and it takes you to Ebates, and as you can see, you have 101 Amazon coupons up to 5%. It was 0%. Sometimes stores offer 0%, sometimes they offer high percent. So you just have to check. Now, this is one that I really like. So let's look at Groupon. We all know and love Groupon. So you go to Groupon and you can get 6% cash back on a Groupon coupon. That's crazy. Let's go back to the Ebates website and click on double cashback stores. These are all the stores that's going to offer you higher than the typical percent. I mean, if you just look at some of these cashback percentages, it's amazing. You're going to get paid to shop online. You're going to shop online anyway. You might as well get paid. I mean, if you have a dog or an animal, 8% cash back. If you want to buy a purse, 6% cash back. If you want to buy a bag, 10% cash back. These are some amazing items. Eastbay, 7%. Amazon, 5%. It just makes you want to shop. Travel and vacation, you get 5% off of traveling. You have to travel anyway. You're going to do it. You might as well get cash back. This is amazing. Let's say that you want to look for a specific item and you don't know the store. For me, I like tools. So you type in tools and it's going to give you all the stores that sell tools. So right here you see Amazon. Oh look, Home Depot. They're not offering any discounts, but let's see. But Lowe's right now is offering 2%. Ace Hardware is offering 2.5%. So they go up and down. But back to the tools. Right here, you go to see all products and you get a list of all the products right now that you can buy that are related to your search item. For me, it was tools. So it's just a wonderful way to save money. I'm sorry, it's a wonderful way to get cash back. You're going to buy it anyway. Might as well get cash back. Now here's the exciting part. You go back to ebase.com and you click over here to go into your account settings. Right here it says Big Fat Check History. Let's check it out. So in just the last 2 months, we've earned $50 cash back on things that we were going to buy anyway. And if you look over here, lifetime cash back, $329. This is money that you're giving away if you don't use Ebates to get cash back. It's free, it's simple, and you actually make money. It's a no-brainer. It's a win-win for you. It's a win-win for the company. Everybody's happy. Sign up and start getting money back now. Now that you've done all your shopping, it's time to reap the rewards of your actions in the form of a big fat check. In the form of a big fat check. You can either have them send you a check, or if you have PayPal, they will put the money into your PayPal account, and it's just that simple. All you have to do is follow the link below, sign up for Ebates, you get $10, and you're on your way to earning rewards. Now, just to let you know, if you follow the link below and you do sign up, I will get a commission. And that's something that you can do after you sign up. You can refer your friends and family, and you'll also get a commission. So if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. And as usual, I appreciate you guys for watching. You have a good one. Have fun shopping and start earning money. You guys have a good one.